Are you experiencing error code CE-107622-8 while starting a game on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart your PS5. When you are experiencing error code CE-107622-8 while launching a game on PS5, restart the PS5 console. To do that, completely power off your PS5, unplug it from the power source and disconnect any peripherals. Wait for a few minutes before reconnecting and turning it on again. Try launching the game that caused the error. Method 2. Verify the game's compatibility. The next thing you should do is confirm the game that you intend to play is compatible with PS5. You can find this information on the game's official website or the PlayStation Store. Game developers typically provide detailed system requirements and compatibility details on their websites. Search for any notes or tags indicating the game works with PS5. Method 3. Update the game. If the game is fully downloaded on your system and it is showing errors while playing, check for the game updates. Highlight the game, press the Options button. Select Check for Update to ensure the game is updated to the latest version. Method 4. Change the video transfer rate. The next thing you should do is change the video transfer rate. To do that, open Settings. Select Screen and Video option, then select Video Output. Then turn the setting off or set it to automatic. Method 5. Tweak settings. The next thing you can do is tweak few system settings. Navigate to PS5 settings, go to Screen and Video. Select Video Output. Select Resolution and try out a lower resolution. Next, you can turn off the Variable Refresh Rate or VRR. Next, enable the 120Hz video output for games that support 120Hz frame rate. If that doesn't work for you, you can turn it off. Scroll down and next turn off the HDR. Turning off HDR during games on your PS5 can sometimes improve your gaming experience. Method 6. Rebuild PS5 database. The next thing you can do is rebuild the database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take 5 to 8 seconds. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller, then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 7. Free up space on PS5 internal storage. Ensure your internal SSD has some free space to install the updates. To do that, delete unnecessary games or data. To uninstall games or apps on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to the console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the game or app you want to delete and select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and relaunch the game you want to play and check. Method 8. Delete and reinstall content. Next, you can uninstall and reinstall the problematic game on which you are experiencing the error. To uninstall a game on PS5, follow the same process as shown in the previous method. Like open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the problematic game and select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and check. Method 9. Install updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 10. Reset the PS5 console. If the methods shown did not help to fix the issue, you can reset the console and then set it up as new and try to log in. But make sure you take a backup of all your important data, as resetting will delete all the settings and saved data on the console. To reset the PS5 console, head to Console Settings. Then select System. From System Software, go to the Reset options. Select Reset Your Console option. Confirm if prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 11. Contact PlayStation Support. If the previous methods shown did not resolve the issue, you may need to contact PlayStation Support for further assistance. Explain your problem and follow the instructions provided by their experts to address the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the error code CE-107622-8 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the product, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.